Hey you guys, Laura here, and today I'm going to be taking you through an arm series that you can do in your chair, on your couch, while you're watching Netflix if you want to. So all you will need is a pair of 2-pound weights. So I know I have in the past shown the bala bangles that I have or the wrist weights that I have. I do prefer to use hand weights if I'm going to be using anything for my arms at all. But some other options for you are to grab a can of beans, vegetables, whatever that you have in your pantry. You can also grab 2 water bottles, or you could even use nothing at all because your arm, your skeletal system has weight to them, and so you will still feel your arms working no matter what you choose to have in or on your hands. So go ahead, grab your weights. By now, you should have already gotten them, and meet me wherever you're going to be doing this seated workout from. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Laura. I'm a certified personal trainer and Pilates instructor, and I'm so excited to have you here at my channel. If you're not already subscribed to it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can continue to watch videos like these for workout tips. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I am going to be doing this workout seated from my one-day chair in my studio, but like I said, you can do this from your own seat at the table for a work break or on your couch while you're watching TV if you want a little bit of a shoulder work. So grab your seat wherever you want it to be and start with your hands forward onto a shelf. We're going to start with some bicep curls. So curl those hands in towards your temples and then extend them out. As you're here, bring awareness to your posture. So are you pulling your belly towards your back? It kind of feels like when you're trying to pull your belly in as you button your pants, or when you pull your belly and your ribs in as you're trying to zipper up a tight vest or something like that, tight jacket. So that's the sensation that you want to have as you're going through the bicep curls here. I'm keeping my elbows in line with my shoulders. And here, what I really like about this, even though we're working the front side of our body, is that I'm also working on my postural muscles. So I'm trying to think about sitting up tall. I'm working my core muscles, my core stabilizers as I'm bicep curling in. I'm only going to do about 2 more here. And then I'm going to open it up into the letter T. So as I open it up to the letter T, I'm just going to reach my hands out from side to side. And then from here, I'm going to bicep curl in. So you could do this workout, I guess, at your office if you wanted to. That's kind of what I like about that work from home life. I know that my fiance, he's working here from our dining room table. And so he can take those little breaks and work on his posture, help with any neck pain or upper back pain that he has as you're hunching over your table. Maybe you have to look up at your TV. I know mine is pretty highly mounted. So I liked taking a moment to do these arm exercises, like I said, to bring awareness to my posture. We're going to do about 3 more here. And even though it's not very heavy weight, I can already feel the heat rising up in my arms. We're going to do 2 more here. Keep hugging that belly in. Did it turn off? Turn your palms down. I want you to take your hands down by your side and then take them to the front of your chair or to the front of your couch. You're going to lift up and then lower them down with control. Lift up and lower them down with control. So now if you're seated in a dining room chair, what you could do, and I'll do this on my next one, is take the hands slightly wider than the chair frame and then lift it up. And that allows you to get a little bit more of a chest expansion, a chest opener, and a shoulder blade retraction. So now we're working some of the shoulder stabilizing muscles as well. Remember that you're hugging that belly to your back. I gotta remind myself from time to time too. And just a reminder, it's like you're trying to put on that the top button of your jeans. But I don't know, I don't really wear jeans anymore now that I'm working from home. So I like the idea of putting on a vest because during the winter I was wearing a lot of vests. And so that's the imagery that I like to think of too, because it's not just that low belly, it's all the way from our sternum, the bottom tip of our sternum and down. So here, as we're lifting the arms up, you should be feeling the top side of your arms. And notice that I did choose to sit with my inner thighs glued together. And that's also so that I can just get a sneaky amount of inner thigh work here as well. And it also helps me to squeeze my butt so that I can sit up a little bit taller. We're going to do 2 more here. And then I'm going to have you end with your arms up in line with your shoulders again. turn them up, bicep curl in. Don't worry, we're not doing biceps again. We're going to do what's called rhomboids. So you're going to open to a field goal, and then you're going to close it right back in. Open to a field goal and close it right back in. So my elbows are in line with my shoulders. My shoulders are trying to stay down and away from my ears. So I think that my shoulders pull down towards my hip bones, towards the seat. As I open, I'm thinking about leading from my elbow or leading from that upper arm bone instead of leading from my hand. So I really want to make sure that my hand stays in line with my elbow. Woo, I feel that heat in my shoulders. What about you? We're going to here for 3, 2, on 1, we're going to end with the arms closed. Close those arms, put those palms together, and then from here, try to zipper those elbows as tightly as you can, and we're going to press and press. Ooh, those biceps, those shoulders, we won't be here long. We've got 8, 7, like that belly, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower the arms, and you are all done. That prayer pose is one of my favorites to do. I can really feel the heat up on the top of my shoulders. And like I mentioned, this whole thing can be done with weights, without weights, while you're sitting in front of your couch in front of your TV. And how fun is that? I love it. Get a little bit of that shoulder work, posture work, massive core work, that core that helps to stabilize you as you're sitting, as you're moving, as you're going through your life day to day, and helps to keep you away from back pain. So cool. If you like this video, if you're going to try it out again, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you're not already subscribed to my page, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can grab another mini workout with me again. See you later.